In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make smooth drop shadow in CapCut. We're creating that clean, professional drop shadow look entirely inside CapCut, and it takes just a few quick moves. First, open CapCut and start a new project. If you already have one open, that's fine too. Make sure your canvas or aspect ratio matches your final output so the shadow sits correctly in frame from the start. Next, add your video to the timeline. You can import from your device and drag it in, or select it from your media bin. Once it's on the timeline, let it play for a second to confirm the clip is the correct take and that CapCut recognizes it without any lag or missing files. Now duplicate the video. You want two identical layers stacked on top of each other. If you're on desktop, you can duplicate from the timeline menu or use a quick copy and paste. Keep the duplicate directly above the original so they stay perfectly aligned. The bottom clip will serve as your normal footage. The top clip will become your shadow layer. Select the duplicated top clip and remove the background. In CapCut, this is typically called Remove Background or Cutout. Apply it to the duplicate only. After it processes, you should see your subject isolated on a transparent background, still perfectly registered over the original clip underneath. If you notice any stray edges, don't worry. The next adjustment will smooth things out. With the isolated top clip still selected, go to Adjust. This is where we'll shape the shadow. Open Curves. You'll see different channels. Choose Luma, which controls brightness across the whole image without shifting color. On the Luma curve, drag the line to the right. This compresses the bright values and deepens the midtones, turning your isolated subject into a soft, darker silhouette. The key is subtlety. Move the curve gradually until the subject becomes a clean, shadow-like shape while retaining smooth edges. If it goes too dark too quickly, pull back slightly or adjust the curve into a gentle S rather than a steep cliff. Watch the edges as you tweak. A gradual curve keeps the shadow silky and avoids harsh banding. Play the timeline to preview. You should now see your original footage on the bottom with a smooth, natural-looking shadow from the top layer sitting right over it. If the scene is very bright or very dark, make tiny curve adjustments until the shadow blends convincingly. That's it. Simple layers, background removal, and a controlled Luma curve give you a professional, smooth drop shadow in CapCut.